Alright everyone, we are here at Ultra Clean Express Car Wash, and we're going to see how their car wash does. So I'm going to pause until we're ready to pull it and see you guys in a second. Alright, here we go. This looks interesting. They've got a belt conveyor.
Oh, I like the purple, and I like the open.
Purple Rain Deep Clean. Ooh.
I like their conveyors too.
Yeah, I agree. They give us some air fresheners and a dash wipe, so that's nice.
I think that's yeah, I like that extra touch. And he's put bug remover on the back.
Nice. Okay, so we're getting our pre-soak. I really like the natural light from the big windows.
Yeah.
Getting some kind of wheel blast down there. And now we have some foam. Very nice coverage of that. Got a top brush.
I like the really high ceilings, and I like how they have lights. You can kind of see it here. It changes color with each application.
Yeah. Seems like that fan brush isn't working. That's too bad.
That is too bad.
We've got some wraps going on here.
Oh, never mind. I'm sorry.
We've got some kind of rinse going on. Nice and gentle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a Peco tunnel.
Yeah. We've got some soap applications here and another top brush.
Oh man, they moved my mirror.
Oh, that's fine. It'll move that with the button press. No big deal. Yep, there's the wrap right there. Got some fan brushes too. These ones work.
They do, yeah.
I really like the open feeling.
Me too.
With the conveyor.
It's nice. It's actually tall and high.
Yeah.
I bet you can do a dually in here too.
I'm not sure, but oh, that says ceramic.
Nice. Well,
Rocket
since
drive.
this is an Escalade, they're a pretty large vehicle.
Yeah. Spot free. Says rocket dry right there.
Oh.
There's a spot free rinse. Wow, dude, look at that water bead off.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And here's the dryers. Oh wow, they're powerful enough to bring up the wiper. I didn't catch it on camera.
That's an impressive amount of air.
Yeah. It's drying off the car real well.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. That's how you know a dryer is powerful. Interesting. And we've got a sign telling us to wait.
And I'm pulling forward because I can.
Yeah. So, that is the Ultra Clean Express Car Wash. What did you think?
I liked it a lot.
So did I.
10 out of 10 in my opinion.
I agree. So yeah,
Awesome.
that is the Ultra Clean Express Car Wash. I would say definitely like 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
This is a really, really awesome car wash.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching and happy washing.